If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these cute little shorty bottles of vodka into these lovely clay sprinkle and glitter embellished bottles, keep watching this video. YouTube. So today in this video, I'm going to be adding some embellishments to this little Smirnoff vodka bottle and this little Absolute watermelon bottle. Now, the idea that I have for these, I usually do either glitter, well mainly rhinestones on the smaller bottles like this. I'm putting together a gift basket for my sister-in-law and for my mother-in-law, and I'm going to include these inside of each one of them. So I wanted to try something different. So I purchased some resin sprinkles. So they're like fake sprinkles. And these are called resin sprinkles, which just means that they're non-edible and they're for decoration and craft purposes only. And I just thought it'd be really cool to see how this would look on the bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I will be using some Mod Podge. I always use the gloss kind. Then I'll need, you will also need a sponge brush. I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay, so you're going to take your little sponge that you have, put some Mod Podge on it, and you're going to just make sure you lay enough glue on there so that it does cover up and it's nice and flat. So when you do begin to lay your sprinkles, that it'll have something to stick to. You don't want to do it too thin and you don't want to have it too thick. So now I'm pouring the cute little sprinkles on. And as I got started, what I noticed is they were just laying any old kind of way. So that's why I'm taking my finger and kind of gently patting them down so they can be flat. Because if they're not flat, they won't really stay right the way you really want them to. I also noticed it was a little on the spacey side.
And I think this will only work best if they're flat. So I'm just taking my finger gently and just trying to press as many flat down as possible so whatever else can fall off. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this glitter and kind of fill in the areas where it's not flat.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm adding some chunky glitter. You can add chunky glitter if you'd like to, or if you like the spaces, you could just leave it spaced out the way it was looking. Or you can use some extra fine glitter, but I like how it adds that extra little sparkle to it because these clay sprinkles are dull.
It's really different, but it's coming together. I'm going to finish putting the glue on the top and continue on.
So now I'm just going to continue to add on the Mod Podge glue to the top area of this bottle and make sure that I don't get any on the actual screw off cap. And I'm just going to pour more sprinkles on, and it has the glitter in it already because I scooped it back up and put it in this little baggie. Because I don't really have much of these. I just ordered a few of them just to kind of test them out and see how it looks. I think it looks cute and fun. It's something different, and I was just going for a different look, and I like the way it came out.
To it, I'll allow this to dry and take it from there. Now I'll start on the second bottle.
Okay, so now I'm working on the second bottle, the little bottle of Smirnoff, and again I'm adding on the glue, and I'm just making sure again that it's nice and flat, putting the glue only where I want to add the sprinkles. Now I'm adding the sprinkles and making them flat once again. And as I get to the top, I kind of did something different. I tried to kind of like use my pickup stick and kind of like place them on because they just weren't laying down flat like I wanted them to.
Some red glitter.
Okay, and as you can see, I'm adding some fine glitter to this one so it can kind of get in between those spaced out areas. And I think it looks really pretty. And this one was more so Valentine's Day themed. This video is a little on the old side, and this was going to be a cute little gift inside of a Valentine's Day bag. And I think this is very pretty. Now I'm working on the top part of the bottle, and you can see I'm just placing the hearts across the top area. I left that little window area so you can see that it says Smirnoff, and I'm just placing them on one by one like I said, and I'm just going to finish off this bottle. These don't take long at all. And you can literally do any type of sprinkle you like. Don't have to do sprinkles. You can do all glitter. I've done all rhinestones. There's a lot that you can do with these cute little bottles.
Okay, so I'll let this dry and then I'll take it from there. These 2 bottles have dried. I'm just gonna take my brush and just see what didn't stick and kind of give it another brush down. And whatever doesn't stay is fine. I cleaned my sponge brush and I'm gonna use some of this liquid glass Tri-Art product and seal them, and then they'll be all set.
Okay, so I allow them to dry at least 20 minutes a piece, and I'm adding on the sealant. It's called liquid glass, that bottle back there. I use it quite a bit to seal glitter because I like the hold of it. I love how it keeps the glitter nice and sparkly, and I just wanted to make sure that everything wasn't coming back off. Now, if you don't have this product, that's fine. You can use Mod Podge. I just prefer to use this. But I will say, I had this for a while, and for some reason, I noticed that the price has basically doubled. I don't know why. I know inflation caused prices to change a little bit, but it basically doubled in price. So hopefully this big jar that I have, this big bottle of it, can last as long as possible. I paid about $60 for it. I looked online, it was $120, and I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of the Smirnoff and the Absolute Watermelon Shorty bottles, and I think they came out so pretty. They're very different. Looking at the one with the stars, I like those colors better. I like the brightness of them, but I really like the look of the Smirnoff bottle. The Smirnoff bottle just comes together a little bit better for some reason. Maybe it's the hearts and the red glitter. I don't know. Those stars look kind of jumbled on there. I actually think next time I do this, I would just place them on like they were rhinestones with the wax pickup tool. I think that would give a better presentation, in my opinion. Unless I use the sprinkles that look like little straw pieces. I think that'd be that. But these were included inside of some Valentine's Day baskets I made. I'm still working on getting these videos out. I've been behind, please forgive me. But I put together the cutest little jars and baskets, and they were just really nice. So let me know, what do you think about using the clay sprinkles? I used them recently on my previous video on some apple cider, sparkling apple cider, and I love them. But those were the little straw pieces, the little horizontal straw pieces, and I really like how those turned out. You didn't have to worry about those laying a certain way. They just laid down perfectly, and they were just a very nice presentation. But if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, and you can follow me on Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe and TikTok as well. Thanks again for watching this video. Subscribe if you'd like to. If not, thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye. And we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.